Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to manually check to see if your games are up to date and how to have all the right settings turned on for automatic updates. Before we get started, I want to take a second to thank everyone who has supported this channel. We have officially reached 5,000 subscribers, so thank you very much. Alright, so let's get started. You can manually check to see if your games are up to date by hitting the options button on your PlayStation 5 controller under the game you want to check. So right now we are going to check Fortnite, and we are going to click on the options button. Here you will have some few options. The first one will be check for update. That's the one we are going to click on. And here it will tell you if your game needs an update or if it has the latest version installed. And let's scroll over to Spider-Man. Let's see if that one's up to date. And that one is also up to date. And that's how you manually check to see if your games are up to date. Next, I'm going to show you a few settings you want to have turned on so that your PlayStation 5 and all its games are always up to date. So first we need to click on Settings, located in the top right corner. Next, we are going to go down to Save Data and Game App Settings. Once you are here, you're going to scroll down to Automatic Updates. So here in Automatic Updates, you will have two options, Auto Download and Auto Install in rest mode. These are two options that you will want to have turned on. Next, there are a few more settings we need to have turned on so that your PS5 is automatically updated. We are going to go back into Settings. Next, we're going to go into System. We are going to scroll down to Power Saving. And we want to click on Features Available in Rest Mode. Here in Features Available in Rest Mode, you're going to have three options. Supply power to USB ports. Here you will choose how long you want your USB ports to be turned on for charging your PlayStation 5 controllers. And here you'll have three options, always, 3 hours, and off. Next, this is the feature you want to have turned on so your PlayStation 5 can stay updated. Stay connected to the internet needs to be turned on. While in rest mode, the PS5 can download update files and content and back up your saved data to cloud storage. The next option you have is enable turning on PlayStation 5 from network. While in rest mode, you can turn on your PlayStation 5 remotely using the PlayStation app or remote play. So the only option you need to have on right here is stay connected to the internet so that your PlayStation 5 can stay up to date and download the files while in rest mode. That is all I have for today. If this video has been helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, consider supporting this channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.